Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2008 Honda Accord LX. This one's gray, comes with 16-inch alloy wheels, gray interior, cloth interior. Coming around back, we've got our Accord badging. Let's go ahead and open up the trunk here. Got the trunk release up front. Pull. Fresh set of clean floor mats, fold down rear seats. Coming up front here we have power windows, steering wheel controls, start it up, our climate control, radio, 5-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has 171,995 miles on it. If you'd like to view more photos of this Honda Accord, check out feldmanimports.com.